My love, my sweetheart. You see, I love you so much and I can do anything for this love.
And I love you too. But the problem here is my father.
Your father?
Yes. Are we ready to fight for this our love? I know who my father is.
Oma, you're talking as if you don't believe me. I love you so much and I can do anything to make this love work. Your father will not stop me.
Okay.
Yes.
You say so.
I love you so.
And I love you too.
Just come. It's okay. Where am I going to take you now?
Anywhere. Anywhere.
You're sleeping?
Yes, Mama.
There's no problem. But it's just that we don't have water in the house.
I know, Mama. When I'm done sleeping, I'll go and fetch water.
Okay.
And what about my father? Is he still sleeping?
Ah, your father. He's still inside. He's sleeping. Oh. Okay, I'll be inside, okay?
Okay.
Please finish up quick. Oh, you don't have water.
Coming from this early morning. Huh?
Who is talking?
Why are people laughing?
Are you still asking? See, let me warn you. From today onwards, I don't want to ever see you close to me or talk to me again. Do you hear me? Don't you ever in your life talk to me again. If you see me, do as if you do not know me. Do you hear me? Look at that. Look at that. She's even staring at us as if she's not understanding.
Because I don't understand anything. What is my offense? What did I do? Tell me please now.
Hey, because you don't understand, right? Now let me make it clear to you. The fact is that anywhere you see us, in any form, in any way, pretend as if you don't know us. I mean, take your race. Because what we will do to you, especially I, Joy, I am very toxic and aggressive. Be careful with us.
What did I do? Tell me please.
You see, I hate it when people don't understand simple explanation. You mean that you didn't understand what we just explained now? Should I make her understand?
Tell her, make her understand.
Make her understand.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You want to know, right? Oh, pretty you.
Oh,
good.
Exactly.
Silly. Now hold your ears. Hold your ears.
Hold your ears. Did you not hear hold ears? Hold so that I can be hearing what she's saying. Hold them.
Now listen. Today should be the first and the last. We will see you anywhere around Obina. Are you hearing me? Else, now God will judge our matter. Look at her.
See, don't think that we are just blabbing. Don't think that all our words are just threat that we are not going to carry on. Let me warn you, stay clear from Obinna. Stay clear from Obinna. I don't want to ever see you close to Obinna again.
Or the best, or Jana Waleze, Gigolo, na Oma! Oma! Is Oma not inside? Oh! Ha! Oma! We have been calling you since I didn't answer. Wait. Oma! What happened to your face?
Better start talking to us now. No, what happened to you?
No. Don't tell me it's nothing because I'm not blind. You better start talking now. What happened to your face?
Better start talking to us. What happened to you? It's Chidera and her friends.
What? Chidera did what?
Is this morning? I went to fetch water. I saw Chidera, Ada and Joy. I greeted them, that was all. The next thing was Chidera started wanting to stay away from Obinna. Then Joy slapped me, pushed me to the ground and they left.
Okay, because she saw that you are small and you don't have a helper. That was why they did this thing to you. See, what I will do to that girl, what I will do to them, what I will do to them in this community, Hey, God! What did you do?
What do you expect me to do? I did not do anything, no.
Wait, you mean Chidera and her friend did this to you and you did nothing?
What do you expect me to do now?
Oma, you know what, Don't worry. I will fight for you. We will fight for you.
What will you do to them?
What I will do to What I will do to Joy? What I will do to Joy?
Shift them out Chidera.
What I will do to them in this village? Don't worry.
See, nobody can drag my Obi with me. Who? Nobody. I mean nobody. Not even that girl that calls herself
Oma.
Yeah, Oma, that little girl.
See, whether devil like it or not, Obinna is yours and yours forever.
Obinna is mine forever.
Hey, yeah. Guess what?
What now?
Guess now.
Oh, if you know that I'm not good at guessing now.
Obinna is coming. Obinna is coming.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. What are people doing here now?
We are just discussing.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine, as you can see. Are you okay? I can see.
Okay, I'm fine.
Huh?
Can I hug you?
Hug me?
Yes.
You're free. It's okay. It's okay.
There are. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
No problem.
If you wait now.
Wait what?
Now.
Wait what?
What is it now? Why are you angry?
What is this? Sometimes you overreact, I don't like it.
What is this now? Why are you angry?
Why am I angry?
Why are you angry?
Why am I angry? You overreact, that is the problem. I don't like it.
Okay, I'm sorry if I overreacted.
You overreacted, but no, you're my best friend. I will forgive you. No, you're like a sister to me. But next time, don't do it.
Let's go.
What is all this now?
Sorry, I didn't notice he was standing there and I didn't see him.
So you want to tell me that you don't see him back?
I know you hate me. I know you hate me because Mama and Dad lost me, but then
What is going on here? Eh? Why are you crying?
my sister was stabbing because water poured from my pocket.
Mama, is that true? Mama, do you see what she did to Obinna? She poured out on Obinna just like that. And she told me she don't see him. Wait, Oma. So because she poured water on Obinna, that was why you raised your hands and slapped my daughter, my special daughter. Eh? And you, young man, are you still standing here? Come and leave my compound this minute, you lunatic. I said leave my compound. Mama, don't let this be your doing now. Don't let this be now. What is this now? Eh? Mama, I am so ashamed of you. I am very, very ashamed of you. Don't worry, I'll deal with you later. Amaka.
My love, I'm really sorry for what happened the other day. I promise it won't happen again.
It's okay. Anything for you. That's what we see.
I wanted to tell you something before the incident happened.
And what could that be?
It was Chidera. The day I went to fetch water, I met them, Chidera and my friends. Chidera wanted me to stay away from you.
Chidera did what? Why?
I don't know. Joe even had to slap me and push me to the ground, and they left.
And you're just telling me now? Why would they do that? Hey, sorry for that, eh? And I'm promising you see those girls, I will deal with them. Please don't allow it to bother you, eh? It's okay, I love you so much. Come. Chidera.
No, I know what I'm doing now. You are doing as if this by the one.
No, Betty, I'm telling you, I do not allow it to catch fire because the fire is not good for it.
No, Mama.
So that it will not get burned.
Mama, but I must tell you, this particular size is good. We'll make a good sales.
Cover it very well. Obinna, please, what is going on between you and Maji Okuru's daughter?
Mama. But how did you come to know about this?
The news is everywhere in the village. Yes. So what is going on between you and her?
Mama, the truth is that I love her and I want to marry her.
You did what? Eh? You want to marry who? Obinna. Stay away from that girl. I don't want to see you anywhere close to that girl again.
No, Mama, why?
Why? How old is that girl? I said, how old is she?
She's 18.
18? Good. How old are you?
I'm 29.
29 and 18. Stay away from that girl. Stay away from her. She's a small girl. Go and look for your mates. Please, I beg you.
Mama, that one will be difficult to.
I don't want to see you close to her.
Mama, but all this is you're saying, bro Bina is not old enough to know what he wants.
Shut up that your dirty mouth. What do you know? Don't allow fire to come up so that they will not get one. You are running after a small girl and you are asking me what is wrong with it. Everything about it is wrong. Everything is wrong. Go and look for your mates. You want to marry.
Okay, you done with this whatever. No.
Allow the sun to melt it. Don't force it so that it will not break. Don't break fish for you.
Keep that greeting. Chidera, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Besides, why did you and your friends beat her?
I not follow. I was not even there when they beat her. But the way I see things, she deserved the beating.
Are you stupid? No, you are stupid.
She deserved that beating. I didn't beat her more if she don't take time.
Obina, wait. Is it because of Oma? That little girl, Oma, is that why you're insulting me like this?
See, don't you ever use that word, little girl. If you ever try it again, I will deal with you.
Beto, is it because of Oma? That's why you're saying
We'll still be there.
If you're not in this village, nobody will. Not even Oma. Nonsense.
There is okay.
Because of Oma. Because of Oma.
We'll beat her again.
Because he's maltreating me like this.
We'll beat her again.
Problem.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Let's go.
Because of Oma, that's why he's maltreating me like this. Because of Oma.
We'll beat them again. It's okay. Let's go.
I'm going to do with Oma this time around. I'll make sure I beat up blood. No problem. I'll beat up blood.
Okoroni women community. Ohamage to dike. Body come. Mama, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Good afternoon, my daughters. How are you today?
Fine,
I hope you are doing great.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, there is something we want to tell you.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Mazokuru.
Yes, sir.
And what is it? What could that be?
It's about your daughter, Oma.
What happened to Oma?
She's dating Obina, the village boy.
What did you just say? Huh? What did you just say? My daughter, Oma, dating Obina?
Yes, sir.
No now. That's not going to be possible now. That's not possible. Huh? Obina, the good for nothing boy, the useless boy in the Ihumere community? No now. My daughter should be seeing people standing and not somebody who not a low life. Not a low life. All the same, I thank you. Information is power.
Okay.
Ah!
Bye-bye, sir.
How can Obina? How can that be? That good for nothing boy? That useless boy in the Ihumere community. So my daughter Oma cannot see people standing. How can my daughter go for that low life? Or from the Guzeg, so no need to go to. On them? No. Oyamutaran Kosuge dinner. Hey, more Amadike. Madam, I'm pitom.
Mama, I don't know why you're disturbing yourself.
Did you say you don't know why I'm doing like this? Oma! How many times did I call you? Oma, you see that thing you're looking for. By the time you find that thing you're looking for, your body will rest. Oma, I'm warning you. I'm warning you against Obina. Be careful.
So this is true. So So this is true. Oma. Both of you now play the fool in my house without my knowledge. Without me knowing.
Papa.
Is it Chidera and her friend that will now tell me what my own daughter is doing outside?
Papa, listen to me now.
Listen to you. Listen to you. What do you want me to hear? That you have been moving around with Obinna. Is it? Let me tell you. Stay away from Obinna. Stay away from Obinna. Because you don't like what I'll do to you. Have I made myself clear? And you? Yes, you.
What have I done?
So, you knew about what is going on in my house and you kept it to yourself. You never wanted to tell me?
My husband, I didn't want trouble in this house. So I was trying to handle everything peacefully.
Peacefully indeed. So you decided to keep secrets away from me in my own house?
No. How can I keep secret from my husband? It's not possible now. I was planning to tell you.
When? When our own daughter must have disgraced us completely? Is that when you start telling me? Both of you have disappointed me. Let today be the last time I'll hear Obinna's name in this house. Have I made myself clear?
Papa, Obinna did not do anything. No.
If I ever see you with that boy Obinna again, you will regret the day you were born. I assure you that. Now, enter your room. Move inside! Look your room.
Fine.
And you talk with me later. We have some issues to discuss.
Where are you from? Why is your face like this?
Breaking news.
Breaking news. What happened? What happened? How did anyone die? Baby, talk to me. Is your father sick?
God forbid.
Then what happened now?
My father found about us. And he's threatening to deal with me.
Why? Why are they threatening? Come to think of it, who told him?
I don't know. I don't know who told him. I'm surprised as you are.
Even at that, he's not supposed to threaten you. We love each other. So what are you going to do now?
I don't know what I'm going to do. Yeah? But I love you. Yeah? I really love you. I want us to fight for this our love.
And you know I love you too. And I can do anything to keep our love. Hmm? Just smile for me. It's okay. Just smile for me.
You're washing. Hey, I'm washing. Come and help me.
don't people have any strength now. Maybe next time.
Joy, come and help me now.
Chidera, please. I know we are friends, but don't call me to come and join in washing your clothes. I just finished washing mine. I'm tired.
Alright, no problem then. If you does not want to help me, have your seat.
That's what I've been waiting for. Not so my blood they hot.
Calm down now.
Hey! So how are you doing?
I'm fine, as you can see.
I can see you are. Chidera, I heard something. Ada told me that Oma's father is now aware about her relationship with Obinna.
Yes, so we told him everything.
We?
Yes.
You are involved?
We.
But
do you know the worst part? He was very, very angry. He said if he ever sees them together again, there's going to be a very big trouble.
Exactly. I won't doubt you. Because this sounds exactly like his voice. Yes.
Obinna is really yours. Indeed, he is.
Oh, Fuma now. Obinna is mine. Obinna is mine. Look at me now.
See beauty. Perfection.
Look at me now. Am I not beautiful
You
enough?
are. There's no need to argue.
Am I not beautiful enough?
You are.
Oh.
Beauty overload.
Oh, that's my name.
Chidera, you are very beautiful.
Can I say that again?
But as my very good friend, let's consider this side of it. What if Oma refused to listen to her father and decide to continue dating Obinna?
Oma's father that I know will never allow that. Don't you know that man likes money? That man loves money. He can never allow Obinna to marry Oma. He wants a rich man to marry his daughter. I know Obinna is not rich.
Yeah. That's the fact. Obinna is not rich, yes. Well, it's fine. It's fine. But we have to be careful in case if we lose the match.
I can never.
I trust you.
We'll never.
Well, we'll start going now so that we'll give you space to wash.
Me too. I will go with her.
Yes.
Okay, now let me escort you.
No, don't worry.
Oh, sorry. Oh, name, sorry.
Thank God there's even water here. It has actually served it to.
Stop it.
This is a sign that I should be going.
You should be going.
I will go.
Chidera, we'll see you later, yeah?
No problem. Let me see.
Don't worry. Just sit back and wash, yeah? Wash your clothes.
Alright now. Bye-bye. See you guys later.
Okay.
Hello, ladies. Come, all of you. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good afternoon. Wow, you girls are quite beautiful. What's your name? Oloma Uchechukwu. And you? Adako. And you?
Me?
Yes.
Oma.
You girls are quite beautiful with beautiful names. What's your father's name?
Pascal.
Mr. Pascal. And you?
Mazuchi.
And you?
Mazi Okoro.
Are you his first daughter?
Yes, I'm his first daughter.
Okay. I'll see you guys some other time, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, enjoy your day. Mazi Okoro.
Okay.
So, resting up now. Now this one is still small. Huh?
Should I get more?
Get more, get more. When are we going to finish doing this and then you?
Mama! Mama! Oh. Mama! Mama, I'm back! Oh. Mama! Mama, you're here. I'm looking for you everywhere.
Hey!
Mama.
You're welcome.
I've been looking for you, yes.
Brother.
How are you?
I'm fine, you're welcome.
Yes, so I hope you have been taking good care of my mother.
I'm taking care of her now.
She is.
Okay.
Don't you see how I look?
Mama, you're looking good.
I will. You are my son.
In fact, you're going back with all of you are going back. I've been missing you so much.
Father, what you get for us now?
Wait now.
Okay, wait. Oh yeah, just take this key now. Go and open my car boot. Everything you see in that boot, offload it. By the time you offload it, you will not know if I'm missing you people.
Okay, brother.
Mama, you. What are you doing?
I want to cook. You should have told me you are coming. If you had told me, then I would have prepared for you.
You will still cook for me, but first and foremost, bring this thing. Let's go inside and gossip. You know how we used to gossip?
Of course,
Mama, Mama, I don't miss you.
So funny. I perceive poverty.
Pure poverty.
Wait though. Don't tell yourself tomorrow will be better. Wait. You've already fought enough. People like you keep hoping tomorrow will change. But let me educate you. Tomorrow will even get worse. I don't even know what my sister sees in your brother. Just look at you. Ah, God. Poverty. Useless, stinky people. I don't even blame you, Sha. I blame my sister.
Oh, my love.
Okay.
You see, You're so beautiful, like I said. But that reminds me, what kept you waiting?
I'm sorry, I was waiting for my daddy to go out. That was why.
Okay.
Hope you're not angry.
No. Why should I be angry with you? I believe you from day one. Yes. You see, it has been long. You have not kissed me. Can you just give me one? And I love you.
Okay, anything for you, I love.
I love you.
Okay.
Hey! My eyes cannot see my ears. Mama, what is happening here? What do you think you are doing with this good-for-nothing boy? What are you doing with this non-entity?
Nah, I greet you.
Greet him, whoa. You should have waited for me. You should have waited for me. Let me use this my walking stick and break your head. Come back to the house.
Papa.
Oma, so it's true. You meet me in the house. You meet me in the house. You meet me in the house. Oma, after all my warnings, you are still seeing that useless boy. That floating boy. Call him. Alright. Today. Good. Better be on your knees. Because I want to end it all today. Enough is enough.
I'm sorry. Papa, please. Papa, please. Papa, I'm sorry.
Hey, don't call my name. Please don't call my name. That is disgracing this family. So enjoy.
Amaka, how can you say that? She's your sister. My husband. It's okay. Please forgive her. Please.
She's out of this. My patience is stretched now. My patience is stretched beyond its elastic limits. Listen, now you're going to pay a price. You pay a price. You pay the end for stubbornness. Enough is enough. I want to end it all. End it all, please.
The sister who refused to learn. Papa, teach us some lessons.
You will pay the end for stubbornness. You will pay the end for stubbornness. Give up! Never! Give me. Let me up from the break. Ndubisi. Okoro before the war. Okoro is the one after the war. You go. You're welcome. I want you. Hey. I have cola. I have cola. As you can see, I appreciate your coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
In Igbo they will say, Kalwanya Nsi. Kalwanya Nsi. I'm not going to boot for you. You collect by yourself.
Why? I will serve myself.
Hey. My father, my ancestors, today is another day. Today is another day under the universe. It's a day you people have made. A day we are rejoicing and we are glad in it. So I want you to take this rich wine. Drink wine and don't drink the blood of human being. As we drink longevity.
Amen.
We drink open door.
Amen.
Cheers.
Long life and prosperity.
One love.
One love.
Please, I'm all ears.
Yes.
So, what do I owe this visit?
No, you know, I actually came to see you for something very important and dear to me. That's why I'm here.
You are welcome once more. You are welcome.
Well, while driving inside the village, I met this beautiful angel. I asked her name, she told me. Then, when I asked her the name of her father, she mentioned your name. And to the glory of God, immediately I saw this girl, I fell in love with her. That's why I'm here, to tell you officially that I'm in love with your daughter. And that I would like to make her my wife, if you permit me.
When you look at me closely, you see that I'm still the handsome man you know.
Of course.
So I'm not surprised that you saw a beautiful angel. So my daughter is just the chip of the whole block.
You can say that again.
Yes. So you're welcome. You want to elongate our relationship
from friendship
to in-law. That's great. It's interesting. Interesting.
Yes.
Yeah, but I can't speak for my daughter. Maybe I'll call her.
But before you call her, wait. I know that those days you used to love First Bank. Are you now using First Bank account?
The same old account, the same First Bank.
Then give me your account number.
That's the First Bank.
Yes. Let me have the number.
PC. You don't change.
Give me your account number.
You've never changed.
Call it for me. Let me just give you a token. It's been long. Just call the number.
004 345 373.
Okay.
5.
Okay. And check your phone. I put small thing there so that you can use it to take care of yourself and also take care of OMA for me. You understand what I'm talking about? I just dropped a token for you and for my OMA.
Ndubisi, do you know what you've just done?
I did it.
A whooping sum?
I did it.
Of 1 million for me?
I did it. It's not for you, it's for you and my OMA.
Great! You're welcome.
Thank you.
May our ancestor replenish for you in multiple folds.
Jesus. Hey. Well, Okoro, I will be on my way, but can I even see my OMA briefly before I go?
That's why I said I'll call her.
Okay.
Oma!
Papa?
Please come.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
I have an August visitor. You remember him?
Yes, I met him on the road.
He is my very good friend. He's been my friend, my childhood friend in the days of yours. In the dim past, he's a good man. He's been a good man and still a good man. I want you to have a look at this before I continue on, man. Just have a look. Just have a look. Huh? It's your father's phone. Just have a look at the screen.
Papa, this is 1 million now. What is it for?
My friend, just a token from my friend. A token from Ndubisi. Just a tip of the iceberg. Yes, Ama, in all honesty, he's been a wonderful man from time immemorial. So he came purposefully today to ask for a hand in marriage.
Eh? What did you just say? God forbid will I ever marry this old man. He's too old enough to be my father.
Ama, come. Come, please. Come here.
Well, no marry you.
Ogoro, you know, you have to talk to her. You have to talk to her.
Leave all that for me.
I love her. See, I'm ready to do anything she wants in this world. I will do for her. Let her just agree to marry me.
I trust you. You see, she's still a child. So, I'm not surprised at her youthful exuberance. So, bear with me. Huh? I'll convince her.
I believe you.
Just go back and prepare. And come and do the needful.
No problem. No problem. I can take my leave now.
Hey! And you know. What a happy reunion.
A very happy reunion.
You're welcome. Wow. Hey. What a day. Whooping sum of 1 million in my account just for nothing. Can it be that?
Good afternoon.
How are you two?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm not fine. Honestly speaking, I'm not fine.
What's wrong? What are you doing here?
It's about Oma. Yes, it's been long. I've not seen her.
Child.
She stopped coming since her father saw both of you kissing.
That's the problem. But the truth remains that I missed her. And I need to see her. Please, can you people help me?
We are going to our house. Maybe when we are coming out, we'll ask her to escort us.
Really? In that case, In that case. No, I will not go with you people. No. Maybe I will be here waiting for you people. No, maybe if you go out, come and meet me here now. No. I want to see her.
Right, okay.
Please, just try for me, Okay.
Nwa Chinyere mo
look at Oh,
Ungo.
You see her now?
Thank you so much.
Fingers, let's be going. See you later, Oma.
Bye.
Keep it, Oma, keep it.
Keep what? Don't go find man. Keep it.
I've really missed you, honestly speaking. My love. Why do you look? You're not happy. Ogechi, talk to me now. You know, keeping silent on me normally makes me to run mad. Please.
He's my father.
How your father again? What did he do this time? Huh?
My father wants me to marry Ndubuisi.
That's not possible. No. That cannot happen. No, don't tell me that you're telling me the truth now, please.
I'm serious. I'm not joking. Then please, I don't want to marry that old man. Please.
Hey, but it's not good now. We love each other. And see, I'm not promising you, this will never happen as long as I'm alive. I love you so much and I will spend the rest of my life with you. Please just share up. I don't like it like this, please.
Okay.
Just come. It's okay. You'll be fine, eh? You'll be fine.
I need to start before my father starts looking for me.
No problem, no problem. Eh? Just have a wonderful day.
How are you? How is the family?
Does it look like I'm happy?
What happened? What is the problem?
You are the problem. How? Tell your son, you see that your useless son, that's your lunatic son, to leave my daughter alone. Tell him to leave my daughter alone. No.
It's okay. Calm down. Bring down your voice. Are we quarreling? We are not quarreling.
I should calm down.
Yes.
Did you say I should calm down?
Calm down.
Hi. Do you know you're shameless? You are very, very shameless. Is this how you train your son? To be disturbing all the small girls in this community? Eh? Hi. This woman, you have failed as a mother.
Hey, hold it there. I will not take it for you to talk to me anyhow you like. You don't talk to me anyhow. I'm not your mate. Watch your mouth.
Mama Obinna, you see, I will talk to you however I want. Did you hear me? You see that your useless son, that's your son that is behaving like a dog that is loose from a chain, going around the whole community, chasing all the whole small girls around. Want that boy for me. I don't want to see that boy an inch close to my daughter Oma. The day I do, Mama Obinna, what I will do to that boy, that boy will not live to tell it. Did you hear me?
Chine, do you realize that your daughter is no longer a small girl? She's supposed to listen to you. Yes. So, when you get home, advise her to stay away from men. Yes.
Okay. I've heard you. You're done, right?
I am done.
Okay. Now you listen to me. You see, you and your son, your entire family, that's poverty stinking family. Stay very far away from my family. Because the next time I see Obinna or any of your family member close to mine, what I will do to you people, eh? In fact, the whole community will hear about it. Warn that boy for me. He should stay away from my son. He should stay away from my phone. I will not warn you again. I will not warn you again.
Just look at him. Look at him. Lying down like a log of wood. Oma. Oma will walk with you. Let that Oma kill you, dear. Let that Oma kill you.
Mama, why do you wake me up like this now?
Shut up! Shut up your mouth. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Just look at me. Eh? There is nothing on this earth Chinenye did not tell me today. Eh? I was coming back from the market. I met her. I greeted her with my full heart. And the next thing Chinenye started raining abuses on me. Eh? There is no insult Chinenye did not pour on me today. Because of you.
Mama, I still don't understand this. Who is Chinenye?
Oma's mother. Oh. If you see the way this woman insulted me today, you will pity me. You will have a pity on me. She called me all sorts of names, that I have failed as a mother, that I am shameless, that I am poor, that poverty runs in my family, that I should not allow my son to go close to her daughter.
Mama, is it because of Oma that you are just talking to me like this?
I will slap you again. I don't want to hear that name again in this house. Obinna, stay away from Oma. Stay away from Oma.
Oh, is it because, is that why you slap me?
I will slap you again and again and again and again. Because you are very stupid. How many times have I told you to stay away from Oma? You will not listen. Eh? As if I'm a nobody.
I don't like this too.
I don't blame you. Eh? Hey! No problem. Chinenye. No problem.
Electric bulb,
my love, you're tired.
I'm very, very tired.
It's okay. You're almost close.
Okay.
That face. I don't like it now. Just smile for me. What is it?
Okay. I don't understand anything. This situation is getting worse every day.
My love, I understand how you feel. But like I told you, just exercise your patience. I'm on it. And I'll make sure all these things will be stored some other time. Please, just understand me.
Okay. You say so.
Just know so. The most important one is that I love you. And that is what matters. That's my baby. It's okay. It's okay.
Alright.
So,
I will take it off from here.
no problem. I'll see you some other time.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye. Your popcorn.
Ivo solo ame Uchechukwu geme Nwa akupete n'elu.
Beautiful headlines. Beautiful headlines. Distinction between civil law and criminal law. No. This is a must read. I'll read the details later. Yes. I'll take time to read the details. You said the headlines are exciting. Yes.
Papa, yes.
Amen. Papa. You are good to go.
Yes.
I see. It's okay. Just be careful.
That's sir.
In-law. You didn't sneak into my car. Where's your car? I didn't get to hear the sound of your car, and you are here before me. I hope all is well.
All is not well, Mazi Okoro. All is not well. I was at Mazi Zike's bar, drinking. When I noticed, I saw your daughter with one young man playing, laughing, holding each other, kissing along the road, as if they are lovers. In fact, they are lovers. I was so angry that I had to abandon my car at the bar and stroll down here. So I can tell you what I just experienced.
Amaka.
Papa.
Please excuse us.
Okay, Papa.
It's like you people knows about that young man.
Yes. His name is Obinna. The young man's name is Obinna. I've warned him severally to stay clear. Stay away from my daughter. But my young man, I think his ears are just fancy.
That's a very serious issue.
Anyway, let me see. If you really want my daughter, you know what to do now. Do the needful and get rid of the young man.
What do you want me to do now?
You don't know what to do.
One of my good customers in the market. The woman says good yam and potato. That's wonderful.
Nice. Mama, you know how to select good things, so.
Your mother knows how to cook.
Take that one first. Wait now.
Yes, give me.
You not give me.
The one I gave you.
Let me take this thing.
Put that one first.
Mama, I be your saying, Mama, you don't give me.
Mama, get him his. So this one is for me. Police!
Police in my compound. Eh? Why are you here?
Are you Obinna? Yes, I am. What's the problem?
I'm Officer John. You have the right to remain silent because anything you say or do will be used against you at the court of law.
My son is not a criminal. He did not steal anything.
Arrest that criminal. Arrest that criminal. Yes, we have apprehended him. We are bringing him down to the office right now.
Your brother is a criminal. He stole my daughter's house.
Oh, what kind of accusation is this one?
Chief, is it you? So it's you.
Ha! I will not rest until my daughter is free from your charm. Ha! You bewitched her.
Now, charm.
I did not charm her. I did not charm her.
My son did not do anything.
Officers, we don't have the luxury of time. Bring him, let's go. What did he do? Let's get him, let's go.
Mama, you don't bewitch her. Yes. My son cannot do that. I did not bewitch her. I didn't bewitch her.
You remove.
Stop it! I did not bewitch her.
Don't worry, just take care of Mama. I'm coming, eh? Will you keep quiet?
Shut up!
I did not do anything. I did not do anything. Who wants to ban now? Who can you be? Look at Tanya, eh? Look at Tanya. Look at Tanya. Oh, what are you doing? Another time issue.
No, by the time we police are done with you will see what makes
When he you might get in
Hey! No. I will not take this. I will not take this.
Oma, talk to me now. Oma! Oma, what is eating you up now?
How is that phone go break? Don't they push me this gear?
I will not leave you. I will not leave you alone.
And you continue.
You must tell me. I will not leave you alone. You must tell me. What is bothering you? Oma, talk now.
You go your house, so.
You should together.
Go leave me. I'm going to leave me. Leave me alone.
Which one is leave you alone?
Sister Oma. Sister Ngozi.
Amaka, what are you doing here?
I came to check up on you, and you are not looking good. What happened?
Your sister has not been herself since morning.
Sister Oma, what is wrong with you?
My heart is very heavy. It's very, very heavy. Like, something is wrong somewhere. Something's really, really wrong somewhere.
Something like what? Oma, something like what? Eh? Something like what?
Please take it easy. I don't have strength to take care of the sick.
Thank you.
I will slap you. Talk to me again, I will slap you now.
You will slap? Why?
You don't think she talk?
Why will you slap her?
Do you know what she said?
Why will you slap her? Let me see you now. No, come and slap her. Let me see you.
Don't
sit down there. Hey, sit down there. You slap her.
I don't want to hear your mouth again. I don't want to hear your mouth again.
That's why she has not given me food though. She has not given me food since I came here. I've not eaten.
You don't know the road to the kitchen.
I don't know. Okay, I'm not in your house.
You don't know the road to the
I'm your sister.
Sister Ma, why didn't you give her food now?
She doesn't know the road to the kitchen. She doesn't.
Okay, it's not. Is it my kitchen? Ngozi. Okay, if you go now, you go miss. You don't know the road to the kitchen. That's what you are saying. See, I was not coming to your house. No.
Don't come now.
Yeah, I was not coming to your house. Don't worry, I was not coming to your house. You let somebody come to your house and you don't give that person food because you are thinking. What are you even thinking, sir? No, what are you thinking?
Obina. She's thinking about Obina.
I was slap this girl. Leave her alone now. Leave her alone. He's calling me. Hello? What? How? What? Why? How come? When? Where? Hey!
What happened? What's going on? What happened?
Because you talk now, you know they... What is it?
Sangozi, what happened?
Wait. Where are you going to? The worst has happened. What is the worst happened? Tell me what you're going talking about now. You know you shouting up and down, sir. You never go in the flag. Calm down. Oma, they arrested Obina.
What are you doing now?
I don't know. Hey.
What's this now?
Oma, look. See, Oma.
I'm going calm down now. Oma, wait, Anna. You guys wait for me. Oma.
Where will I stop crying? Look at how they took my son like a criminal.
You make yourself see. One thing I promise you is that I'll follow this case to the very end and find out why they arrested Obina.
Look at how they took your brother away like a criminal. They take my son away like a criminal. Oh. Hey, what did Obina do?
Emeka, we heard what happened. That's why we came under the way.
Does any of you know the reason why they arrested my brother?
We have no idea, but we are still trying to find out why they arrested your brother.
Just look at how they take my son away. Immediately they take my son away, the rain started falling. That is a bad omen. Oh, what did Obina do? What did Obina do? What did my son do?
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying.
To be well.
Yoko. Ohamadike.
You walk home, man.
Hey. Do we get you more of the meat?
My tea is already penning me.
Okay. I told you.
You are a magician.
My good friend. I told you.
Do you know that everything happened exactly how you said it?
What are you not talking? I don't mix words. When I want to act, I act. And now, Maraka. I told you.
This one, she's frowning at me.
Let us drink. That's my daughter for you. That young man, Obina, will remain in that cell until you have paid my daughter's bride price.
What are you doing?
You push your whole house.
Leave me alone. Get out of my sight. Don't come closer to me. Don't come closer to me. Yes, you.
Oma, I'm your father. Now drop that knife.
You said to my father.
What do you want? Just mention it. What do you want? Tell your father. What do you want?
All you care is all about is money. Everything is money. But my happiness, you don't even care about it.
Please let me have the knife. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please give me the knife.
I don't need you to
please.
Oma, now tell me, what do you want? What do you want?
There is something for me. That's what I want. That's what I want.
Okay.
Please. Okay. Just drop the knife. I will call the police now to release him. Please, drop the knife.
Call him now!
Okay.
Oma, please don't do that. Help. You heard him now. Please give me the knife.
Hello?
Give me the knife now.
Area Commander. Please tell your boys to release that young man that they arrested today.
Mention his name. Let them know the very person, please. Mention his name.
Yes, Obinna. Yes, we have settled in the family. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's done.
Hey! Oh my God! Chimu! Hey! Mama, this girl will not kill me.
Please go and check on her.
Mama!
Hey! Amunachim.
Obinna! Hey! Obinna! Mama! Hey! Obinna! Hey! Obinna!
Mama, what is this now?
Hey! Hey!
This.
Ha! My son. Every bad thing that followed you from that place will remain aside. They will not come in here with you. Hey, you are too weak. Sit down. Obinna. Hey! Obinna. Hey!
They have warned you. They have warned you. This thing can cost you your life.
Leave Oma. Leave Oma alone. Eh? Please, my son. That little girl. She's not your mate. Leave her alone. Eh? Do you want them to kill you for me? Please, I beg you, my son. Piccolo. I beg you. Eh? Look at how weak you are. Let's go inside so you can eat something. Let's go inside. Ah! Don't worry. I'll use a hot balm on you. Let's go inside, my son.
Are you jealous? I'm jealous. Hey, I'm glad to see you. Yes, sir. See, I'm shiny. She's shiny. Oh my God. What have you been eating? Have you been eating? Eating my food. Let me be sit for it. Let me sit, I beg. God. Come on, sit. Oh, that's rough. Sit down.
at Ada. See, see the way you girls are shining.
Look at your skin.
Oily and glittery.
Oh, milky.
See your own skin. Look at your own skin. See how fat you are.
Which fat?
See you now.
Dera, why are you like this?
Where's that one coming from?
You're fat.
Dera, why are you like this?
Let's forget about that one. So, just me now. What has been happening in this our village? What has been happening?
Dera, a lot has happened and still happening in this village.
Don't mean it.
Well, it's about Obinna and Oma.
Yes, sir.
We heard well. Obinna and Oma.
Yes.
So, what happened?
The thing there is that Oma's father, the Ohomadike of our community.
Ohomadike
of this community.
You know. And Oma's husband to be, his friend, that old man.
Very old man. Exactly.
Went to Obinna's house and caused problems.
Trouble.
Very trouble.
Trouble.
This is the first one. Tell her the second.
The second one is that Oma heard what happened. Left everything that she was doing and ran to Obinna's house. Getting there, Obinna's mother insulted her. Not just only insulting her, asked her to leave her compound.
You don't mean it.
He's the second one. Tell her the latest gist on top.
The current one.
The correct one. Yeah.
The one that is happening now that everybody's talking about.
Listen more.
Listen, this is my job now. I have to do very well. Oma left Obinna's house with anger and tears. Ran back to her house. Entered their kitchen. Took knife. And threatened to kill herself if her father does not release Obinna.
Yes. Kill herself?
Yes.
Stab herself.
So what happened?
What do you want her father to do? Her father don't have any choice but to tell his friend to call the area commander to release Obinna. ASAP.
And they released him?
Of course now.
How? What do you want him to do?
Hey. So you mean all these things happened while I was away?
Yes. Before I forget, are you aware that Joy have traveled? Yes, now. I know you will not even ask.
So where did she go to? And she didn't even tell me. Imagine, my friend, she didn't tell me that she traveled. You know that I told you the guys that I was going to my maternal home. So what did she tell me that she was traveling?
Well, we have told you now.
We are here now. So what did you do? I brought myself.
Obinna, it's getting too much of you. Very, very much.
Okay, what is getting too much of me?
Police arrested you the other day because of Oma.
So what?
What is
Obinna. Obinna, listen. The reason why we're saying all this is because we care about you. We don't want you to put yourself into trouble.
And Ogechi, the last time I checked, I had never called you and tell you that I'm into trouble because of Oma. So, what is bringing all these ones? Let me just ask both of you. What do you want me to do?
All we are saying is, listen. All we are saying is, leave everything that concerns Oma alone and think about your life first.
Obinna, listen to me. If you continue with this Oma of a girl, you will land yourself into serious problem.
Tell him.
I hear.
We don't want to lose you. That is all we are saying. We don't want to lose you.
Or do you want us to lose you? Obinna, do you want us to lose you? What have you even achieved in life that you want us to just lose you like that?
Nothing.
Don't worry. Time will tell. Time will tell.
That time should better tell.
Think about your life first.
Omali Chow.
That sounds like Obilunu's voice.
I'm here.
How are you?
I'm fine. I've missed you so much.
I've missed you too.
I don't know that I will see you again.
How are you?
I'm better now. But you did not come and see me since I was released.
Not saying like that. I wanted to come, but my daddy didn't allow me to see you since you were arrested.
But why?
I didn't know. I don't know.
Hello.
You need to start going before my daddy comes out, please.
Okay, he's around.
Yes.
I will see you soon.
Okay, my love.
I will see you.
Yes. Go.
Where are you coming back from?
I went to visit myself. I've been around. I did not go anywhere. I did not go anywhere.
Papa,
Papa.
are you sure of what you're saying?
Papa.
Well, take care of the house, okay? Don't go anywhere. Let me go and see my friend where you come. I might be coming back sooner than you can imagine.
Okay.
I'll be back sooner than you can imagine.
Bella.
Okay.
How are
Good
you?
evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine, as you can see.
Obim, I heard what happened. And I'm very, very sorry.
It's okay. I'm fine now.
Well, it's very, very painful to love someone and the person will still be the cause of your sufferings. And on top of that, her father does not want you to marry her. Well, if you ask me for an advice, I will say that you should leave Oma. You should leave Oma. There are so many beautiful girls in this our village. Obim.
Come on, remove your filthy hands off me. Just look at her. See, let me tell you something. Don't you ever ask me to leave Oma again. Can you get that? Let this be the first and last you obstruct my movements. Not to talk of to ask me to leave Oma. Look at her. Who are you, Kwan? That should leave Oma for me. Just look at her. Don't do that again.
Ogechi nyere m electric bulb asa nwa.
Where are you off to with a machete?
Okay, I want to go to the farm.
Rest, man. Eh? Try and get some rest. Why don't you go in and rest?
Mama, I understand, but the truth remains that this farm needs attention. And I'm not doing anything.
Okay, I know. The farm needs attention. Why not stay for today? Tomorrow you go.
Mama, I'm not complaining. Emeka is not around, so I have to do this.
You look weak.
I will come back. I
You
won't
don't
rest
look okay.
Mama, please don't go. I will
Don't look that strong.
Mama, I'll be fine, yo. I'll not stay long. Just prepare food, though.
Oh, wakana biakane love biamanso.
That's this thing. Now where did they see? Where did they chop things? No. This boy, come on there. Wait till your own. Your papa. Wait. Come on, have my cup. Is it not someone like that? He's a human being. That's Obina. Obina, the son of Mazude. It's Obina. That's Obina now. Obina! What happened to him? Ha! Wait. Obina! Hey! Stop shouting, let's take him home. Yeah, para now. I don't want any puri. No, carry on. Now, woman, if na woman go jack. Leave her. What happened? Mama, oh! What happened? Urobina. We just saw him like this. Urobina. Mama, come on. Urobina. Mama, come on. Hey, Robin. What happened to my brother?
We just saw him in the farm lying like this.
Hey, Robin. Obina, wake up. Robina, wake up, my child. Wake up. Robina. Hey.
Mama,
Robin.
we just saw him lying lifelessly like this.
Hey.
Oh, that is true. I don't even know what's actually wrong with him.
Jesus. Obina. Hey! Hey! Jesus! Obina, wake up!
What happened? We just saw him lying lifelessly in the farm.
Obina! Oma!
Hey! Obina! Hey, whoa! Hey! Jesus! Obina! Hey!
Oma! Yeah. Oma. Hey. Why did they pursue you now? Why you running like that?
Obina,
what happened to Obina?
I don't know. But I just saw.
They calm down.
Obi!
Hey! What is this? What is this? Hey! Obinna, stand up and tell me what happened to you, my son. Stand up and tell me what happened to you, Obinna. Obinna! Hey, look at my son lying down lifeless. Look at my son.
There's nothing too hard for you.
Is it like this? Is it like this? Is it like this? Look at my son right. Stop there! Don't come close to my son. Look at my son. My son went to farm and was brought home lifeless. Look at my son. Hey! Hey!
Mama, this is not the time to blame anybody. It's not our fault.
Look at my son lying down lifeless.
If you can hear me, answer me. Obi, we still have a long way to go. This is what you promised me, Obi. This is what you promised me,
Hello? Is anybody here? Huh? Nobody's feeding there. Where am I now? What is happening to me? Where is this place? I've been roaming inside this place for long now. I've never seen any human. It's only this building, and nobody's seen anyone too. What is happening to me? Am I dead or what? Mama! Mama! What is happening to me? Chima! Chima! Emeka! What is happening? Where am I? Oma! Oma! Oma Licham! Oma! Is that really you? What are you doing here? Because I have been roaming inside this place for so long now. I have never seen any human. It's only this beautiful house. What are you doing here? What are we doing here?
Don't worry, man. I'm here to help you out.
Help me.
Come on.
There is nothing God cannot do.
Thank God.
There is nothing God cannot do. I told you.
Thank God. Hey. Obi, man. Hey.
Mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, Obi no. Mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, Obi no. Afungonu mada de ma, Obi mo. Efungonu mada de ma, Obi mo. All they know be more.
Mama, as I was farming, something hit me. Yes. That's all I can remember. All of a sudden, I found myself inside this thick forest, wandering about. But I get to a point where there's a fine building. I said, let me call on you people and see if someone will respond. Mama, I called you. I called Emeka. I even called Chima. I was calling you. Yes, I called you. I called Emeka. I called my friends. But no one answered. Not until I called Oma. Yes. She appeared. At first I was scared. But she told me not to. That she's there to help me. I should come and hug her. And I hugged her. She disappeared. Then I opened my eye. Found myself here.
I really thank God for bringing you back to life. Hey! Thank God.
This is not ordinary. This is not ordinary at all.
I really thank God for your life. At least what matters now that you're back.
Yes, but Mama, I'm still confused. Where did I find myself?
My son, you went to the spirit world.
But I think God has a purpose and plan for you. God still has a purpose and plan for you.
Ogechi nyere mo electric bulb asanwa
he is still alive.
Papa, what did you just say?
You heard me clearly. You heard me loud and clear. He could have died. Yes. What is he living for? Is it not better he dies than watch and see me hand you over to another man in marriage?
Papa, it's not work. You want him to die and leave me. Papa, you should never walk and he will never die. Papa, he will never die, yo. He will never die.
You do my own bidding and not yours. I'm your father. I'm the one that impregnated your mother. And no one else did it for me. Yes. So I call the shot here. I call the shot. But I pity you. You know why? Because I'm not sure you are yourself. You're under a spell.
Papa, your plan will not work. And it will never work. Papa, your plan will not work, oh. It will not work. It will never work. You want him to die and leave me, Abi? Eh?
Oma.
Eh, Papa?
That spell will leave you. I think you are not yourself. Eh? So that spell will be taken off.
But I don't work, eh? It will not work.
I just feel you're under a spell. That's why.
Papa, don't tell me spell, but it will not work. It will not work. You will not die, oh. You will not die.
I don't know what you're doing. You got shadows to see off here.
Obilonu 10-10.
Kelly Makosa.
Kelly Makosa.
Kelly Makosa. How far now? These birds now. What was it? What is my cars? One of your cars. Let me see how. And no, they have plenty of sure. Oh, my God! See, on the physical. Let me teach you. Hey, you are not one of the best owners. Hey, you see now, it's when it's I want to go home to go and just relax. Okay, let's find. What are you doing for now? I'm not doing anything. See, let's go to this like Mama, I'm not getting a place. Huh? You will like it.
Mama, do you remember Kelly now? Kelly, my friend, I normally come here. We used to go and dance at the market. Kelly Makosa. Hey, where has he been? Oh, Kelly has been in America all this while. Kelly? Yes, America. As I'm talking to you now, Mama, Kelly is in town. Kelly now is driving one of the latest car in town. Hey! Kelly, but see, that's not even the good news. That is not even the good news. Mama, let me break it. Mama, Kelly is going back to America, and he said that he's going back with me.
Hey! And you're saying it's small like this?
Hey! Is this small?
This is not small. Wait.
He's taking it to America.
One.
Mama,
hey!
Very soon I will be Americana or buy America.
wait, Obina, wait. Let me ask you.
Okay.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Mama, I am 100% sure now. This is 1,000 odd. Very sure. Oh yeah, about it.
Brother, as in very soon, you'll be doing your man.
Wait. That means God has answered that.
Exactly.
Hey! America!
Oluwa is involved.
Obina in America.
Yeah, Mama.
Hey!
God has answered that prayer.
Thank God. God. My own son.
God has answered that.
This is good news.
Hey!
This is great news.
Hey! Don't worry. Your brother is going to make you proud.
So when I'm being your man,
Mama, I will make you people proud.
God.
I'm telling you.
Just like that.
I'm telling you, Mama.
Hey! This God is wonderful.
Very, very wonderful.
It's a miracle God.
And I must make sure I tell Mama this though. Yes. Later in the day, I'll go and tell her.
Hey!
She deserves to hear it too.
Yes, so you have to go and tell her.
Yeah, Mama. So, from now on, you people will be treating me like an American.
Hey!
Obi Malaysia.
Come from America.
You are going to America. Obina.
Mama.
Wait, don't worry.
Hey! Bring that food! Bring that food! Come on, bring that food!
What is chasing you people? What happened?
Dara, do you remember Kelly? The guy that traveled to America? Kelly now.
Kelly, yeah. I remember him. What happened?
Kelly is back. He's back.
They're good for nothing, boy.
Now, Dara. Huh? Choose your ways to use on people. Be careful on it. It's not good.
He came back with a very big car, very fine, and plenty money. He's looking very, handsome and everything.
So, because he came back with a very big and fine car, I should be jumping up.
Yes, ma'am. Not that Obina that have promised himself to die and rot in this village.
Hold it there. I hope you're not using such words on my Obi. Obi Nkembi.
Dara, I'm sorry. Please, can you get me water to drink?
Why are you apologizing? What you said is right now. He doesn't want to help himself.
I don't know now. I don't know if I'm lying. Enough of what?
Enough of all this nonsense.
No, truth is bitter.
I don't know if you leave my house now.
Richard man.
A man that will not even love you, that does not even see a future with you.
Not even care about you.
If you like, I
know you are playing. Just give us water.
Am I smiling?
You are not smiling.
He's only in my mouth.
This is the same thing that happened between you and Joy, and you want it to happen between us again.
Exactly.
Hey.
That is why Joy left without even telling you.
You are very, very stupid.
Something was because of Obina.
A man that is not even seeing you.
That goes for nothing, man.
The man that slapped you.
Leave my house now! Leave my house!
Don't
worry.
I said leave my house! Chidera.
Go.
Chidera.
You will come back. You will come back and beg because of
leave my house! I will leave.
Rubbish. I'm just giving you a piece of advice. You are insulting my man in my presence.
I ran from you.
Get out!
To come and give information that will better your life.
For your own good. For your own good.
Obina, you and Obina.
Kelly
Obina will not look at you.
Kelly is back.
Obina will not look at you.
How dare you? You insult my Obi in my presence. Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Rubbish.
My love. Sorry. My sweetheart. I'm only child. You see, there is something I want to tell you.
Something like what?
Not really. Remember my friend Kelly? Kelly, nah, the one that used to dance my concert at Market Square that year.
Okay. The one that you told me that traveled to America yesterday.
Exactly. Man, Kelly is back.
Seriously?
Yes.
Kelly's back. When did they come back?
He has been around. Well, I met with him yesterday. Speaking to see Kelly. Kelly is now a big boy. Looking young and fresh with his car. Not just car. Mercedes Benz.
Seriously? Like, wait, Kelly is now a car owner.
But you're not just talking about car. This is Benz I'm talking about. This is 2022 model Mercedes Benz.
Seriously?
What are the money? Aye! Kevin is now a big boy. He's some money.
How?
Money is good. My love, money is good. We had a long talk before one born as usual. At the end, he told me that he's going back to business. And he would like me to go with him.
Okay. I don't understand. Which one is... What about me now?
This is the point. See, just listen to me. My love, I know how you feel. But you're supposed to understand that I love you so much. I'm not running away. Anything I'm doing now, I'm doing it for us. Please just understand me. I need to go with him. I need to make this money. And pay your bride price. I need to make this money and pay your bride price. Remember, your father needs a son-in-law. Your father needs a son-in-law that is rich. You know I'm not rich now. I need to go and make this money. Please just understand me.
It's fine. I'll miss you. I'll miss you so much.
I know I'll miss you too. I would definitely miss you. But I had to go. And I'm promising you, I will come back for you. Yes. Doesn't mean I smile, I love it. That's my baby. Thank you for your understanding, man.
It's fine. Not when you go there now, you start feeling all these white women. You'll not be happy.
I'm always going there for white women. Baby, you have all I want in a way. So I'm not looking for another woman out there. Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm okay with you. I'm very, very sure. I love you so much. And I love you always.
Ogechi nyere m electric bulb asanwa.
Oma, where are you going to looking this happy?
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter. So what happened? Why are you looking so happy?
Mama, I want to know.
I want to know. Tell me.
Mama, it's Obinna.
Obinna? So what about Obinna?
Obinna is traveling to America with his friend.
What? Obinna? Hey! Obinna is traveling to America. This is good news, oh. Hey! If he travels and gets work now, by God's grace, he can come back and marry you.
Yes, he will come back.
Hey, Wochimo.
Mama, I want to get something after and I'll come.
Hi.
See you later.
All right, my dear. Obinna, traveling to America. Hey, this one is a good news, oh. Hey.
Manager. There is something in this world words can't explain. And that is what I feel for you. Yes, it's inside my heart.
There is this moment in life when you feel the heartwarming of love. But that's when you look in the eyes of someone that you really love. Words can't explain how much I really love you. Oh, babe, I love you so much.
And I love you too. I'll do anything for you.
Oh, babe.
My love.
There's something I want to tell you.
Anything you want to tell me, just tell me. Stop frowning your face. You know I don't like it whenever you frown your face. So can you talk to me? Feel free.
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? How sure are you?
I'm serious. It's yours.
I'm not saying that you're not serious. Neither did I say that it's not mine. But I'm not ready for this now. My love, please don't wear that face. Just listen to me. I want to tell you something now. My love, please now. I don't like this face, please. See, don't see it as if I want to abandon you and run away. No. It's not good to abandon a woman, especially the one that loves you so much. I understand how you're feeling. But the truth remains that we are meant for each other. Yes, and I'm not leaving you. I love you so much. And I will always do. So please, child, don't allow this to ruin your day. It's a blessing. And I'm promising you, I'll come back for you. Just take good care of yourself and their one child.
I will, my love. But I'll miss you.
And you know I'll miss you too. But I'll come back. Just take care of yourself first. Let's go.
Adam!
Is this not there? Yeah. You have mine though. Chidera, what are you doing in my house? What are you doing here?
Ada, I'm sorry now. I'm very, very sorry. I didn't mean to ask you guys to leave my house the other day. Please forgive me. I'm still your friend though.
Everybody got friends. You know that we are friends. You have the mind to send us out from your house the way you did. If you leave her because of Obinna. A man that has not even properly brushed his teeth. You asked your friends to leave your house. And now you use your 2 legs to walk into my house. Come and be.
Ada, Ify, I'm sorry. And I'm sorry. Please now. Forgive me. We are still friends, so don't forget. Eh?
Okay. I'm forgiving you.
Thank you.
See at it. But wait, that reminds me. I know you did not just come to this house just to come and beg. Something else brought you. It's true. Yeah. Stop talking. Come to your house.
I wish he did, but he did not.
Oh. So what happened?
My Obinna will be traveling outside the country very soon.
What did you just say? What do you know what you just said now?
Yes.
Finally. Obinna is leaving this village for good.
And if he comes back, he's going to see my people. And he's going to come and pay my bride price.
And we are still here. Yeah, for you.
Thank you.
I'm so Obi.
Obi America.
This is good news. The very good news.
I'm happy.
So like this now. Who will be your chief?
Don't you're not even this.
Yeah. I'm going to miss this particular food. Not just the food. Even you people. I'm going to miss you people so much.
But don't forget us. Don't forget us.
Look at this person. Why will I forget you? After passing all this thing I passed through in this community, I will go there and forget you people. No, now. God forbid. Mama, I will not do that.
No problem.
I will not do
Just
that.
eat your food. Eat your food.
I will not do that.
The only thing I want to tell you is, when you get to America, please be yourself. Stay on your own. Don't enter any trouble. And anything that will cause trouble between you and Kelly, avoid it. Did you hear me?
Mama, you know me now. I'm not a troublemaker. You understand? I will do just that. And I promise you, I'll come back with the good news.
I know you, my son. I know what you can do.
Yes, Mama.
I know. Okay. Be yourself, Mama. Hey, we are going to miss you. Hey, wait. It's a good one now. What will I say? I thank God for everything. And God will bless.
Go and get water. Go and get water. Go and get water.
Mother, what is it now? This one has been lying like this for a long time. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Alright. If you say so, I'll be leaving. Just take care of yourself, okay? I'm leaving.
OMA! OMA! Come. OMA, you see, your father and I have reached a conclusion. We have decided that you must marry Ndubisi. Yes. And OMA, you see that pregnancy? That baby in your womb? Ndubisi must not know about it. Until after the marriage. When everything is now settled, you can pin the pregnancy on him. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
Mama, I'm not marrying that old man.
Listen to me very carefully. It is not about what you want or what you don't want. The main point here is that you must marry Ndubisi. And this pregnancy, Ndubisi must not know about it before the marriage. After the two of you are married and settled, then you can pin this pregnancy on him. Have I made myself clear? Oma!
Mama, please beg Papa now.
I should talk to your father. Hi, Oma. So what I've been saying here, you've not been hearing anything from what I've been saying. I said your father and I have reached a conclusion and we have decided that you must marry Ndubisi. And that is fine now, Oma. What you want and what you don't want does not even matter right now. This is the result and consequences of this your pregnancy. Now, see, back to Papa. Please leave this place, I beg. Don't make any mistake about this, so.
This is not how I planned my life. I'm getting married. But not to the man I truly love. My dad has decided. My mom has agreed. But nobody asks to know who I truly love. If this love was to be enough, I wouldn't have gotten married. I would never.
I cannot be part of it. You want me to follow you to go and marry a toddler? Somebody that is still suckling on her mother's breast.
She's 18, no?
She's not up to 18.
She has finished WAEC.
How old are you?
Forget my age. She's old enough to get married so that she can give me my own children.
She might not give you your own children. She might give you other people's children. That is what I'm saying.
Talk to Mama now. Talk to Mama now. That's why I brought you here now.
So because of that small girl you invited me home, I disagree, or I'm not going with you people. If it is because of that little girl of yesterday,
small girl,
you want to get married to, brother, please.
Okay, no problem. If you people don't want to escort me, trust Mazi Okoro now. Once I give him money now, he will escort me. He will even mobilize the whole village to escort me. You don't have money. In fact, let me go and see my sister.
Go and tell whoever it is to escort you. I am not going. Because when it starts happening, you will not see me there. Ijoba, have you seen it? Have you seen what your brother is doing?
Brother is not here anymore. I don't understand the kind of years he has.
Hey! I am so happy today. I am so happy. My heart is full of joy. Eh? My own Oma. We are giving out our hand in marriage today. I am so happy. My fellow women, I know you'll be wondering why I did not call the other women here today. No, I did it deliberately. I invited the two of you to be with us today. But you see the white wedding that is coming up very soon. Hey! It is going to be very loud. The whole women will know that my daughter is going out. Hey! I said, Mama gave my Mama gave my Mama. Aparaisi. Uku George. Abada. Apanu. Chaija Sapa. Apomo. Apanu. Mama gave my Mama. Mama gave my Mama.
Carton of beer. Carton of beer. Kegs of palm wine. Kegs of palm wine. Even the color out here. From the same man. Ogobuchi onye. Ozulu keme.
Well, you see, I know that our in-law is equal to the task. Everything is complete. Eh?
So go and bring my beautiful daughter. Let's know the bride in question.
You mean I should go and bring out our daughter?
Bring my daughter.
Oh, my fellow women, it is time. Oh, join me. Let's go and bring out OMA. Eh? Babu give a wow. Babu give a wow. Aparaisi. Apajadi.
Money stops every nonsense. Money stops every nonsense. And if you,
Amadike.
My husband, our daughter is here. I don't want neighbor.
Amalechama. Amadike. N'ihe obodo ihu mere ji eme ọnụ. Ọmalecham. Ahụ ugo m. Iru a na-adụla ezigbo. Today is your day. Today is your day. Look around. All these things here are drinks from this man here. In different kegs. Do we accept these drinks? I'm all ears. Mwah. Ntim the bag. I'm all ears. Did nothing. It's in acceptance. My daughter has assented to this. Says we should go ahead. Ogo Buchionye. Of what come before the war, during the war, and after the war. Please come forward. No. Come with my daughter. Let me bless both of you. Just come and kneel. Put your hands like this. Or you put your own. No. Then you put your. That settles it. I bless this union. I bless this marriage.
Amen.
Today that is Eke.
Amen.
Tomorrow that is Soya. Next tomorrow that is Afo. Next tomorrow that is Nkwa. You will prosper. You will be fruitful. No weapon formed or fashioned against you or this union that shall prosper.
Amen.
Go and make it in life. In the name of our great ancestors. In the name of Ndimbun and Degede. Go and succeed. A cause for celebration.
Yes, so Nubisi Dianu Baramego. Nubisi Dianu Baramego. Ibaramego, ma wara giwa. Yana wa. Yana meya. Yana meya. Yana ya. Yana
phone.
Are you going out? Where are you going to?
This right here, let me bring chair.
Wait. There's no need for that. Yeah. Let's stand and just stand.
So, Dera, in this village now, nobody will drag Obina with you.
For where? Who? Hey. Who is going to drag Obina with me? Nobody will come between me and Obina now. Nobody.
Friend, I'm very happy for you.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
Oma. Oma later marry that old man.
Her father's age mate. Because of money.
I think she'll be in this village and start dragging Obina with you.
Who is she to come and drag Obina with me? Look at that little girl. That little girl of yesterday. She will come and be dragging Obi. My Obi with me. Now she's out of the way.
Please turn around and show us, Mama.
Fine girl. Fine girl. Check it out. Fine girl. I don't know.
Soma. What happened?
So you are back to this house. So you have come back.
Papa, please. Papa, please.
Get up.
Papa, please.
You don't belong here anymore.
Papa, please, she came with your child. Please, Papa. Please don't me.
Which child? The bastard? That's the proof of her shame on the family and my name.
Mama, I wish to stay. Papa, please, she's still your daughter. Don't let her go, please, Papa. Please, I'm begging you, please, Papa.
A daughter that had dragged my name to the mud. You're calling my daughter? Eh? I don't have any such daughter.
Papa. Papa, you forced me into the marriage. And now you're sending me away with my child. Papa, please. Please, Papa. Papa. Papa, please, don't let that go. Papa. Please, Papa, don't do this to her. Papa, please, don't let that go.
Now leave before I lose my patience.
Papa, please.
You have overstretched my patience and this is the elastic limit. Leave!
I'm tired.
Make use of the exit door. Make use of the exit door.
Mama, please don't go. Please don't leave me. Don't go. I'm gonna take care of Mama for me. Don't leave me and go, sister, please.
You daring me? You are daring me? You are still there waiting to know what I'll do?
Mama, please don't leave me and go. Mama, please don't let her go.
I don't want to see you anywhere within the neighborhood when I come back.
Papa, please. Papa,
Have I made myself clear? I don't want to see you anywhere around this vicinity. Go with your so-called child. Let me not see you around here. I don't want to see you anywhere within the neighborhood around the vicinity when I come back.
Mama, please don't go. It's not Papa.
Nobisi, have you seen it? Have you just seen it? I kept telling you, stay away from this girl. Leave this girl alone. But no, you will not. I love her. She's the love of my life. And this one and that one. Have you seen it now? Have you seen it? Huh?
Brother, Mama warned you countless times to stay away from her. But you didn't listen to me.
My friend, will get her from here before I slap the hell out of you. Who invited you here in the first place?
You don't even tell her that because she knows everything that happens here.
Is that why she should put mouth?
Yeah, she should not, but she's part of this place. I took her when she was just small. She's part of this place. Huh? Why do you want to unleash your anger on her? Why? Why? Is she the cause of your problem? Is she? She's not the cause of your problem. I thank God I am your mother. And the last thing I will do is to tell you what is not right. I will not. But it is for you to now say, okay, I will listen to my mother, and then you do that. But no, you did not. They're just playing the music for you, and you were dancing. You were playing the music, you were dancing. Dancing from here and there, up and down. They were just toying you, using you as a remote control, and you were listening to them, and you were dancing to their tunes. Have you seen it now? Have you seen it now, Ndubisi? Have you? Have you seen it? He is not your son. Ah, Ndubisi. Ndubisi.
Mama, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Huh? The most important thing is that at least now I have realized my mistake. I'm sorry now, Mama. I'm sorry. In fact, I can't go back to Egypt. Yes, Mama. I'm sorry.
Your eyes are clear.
Mama, I'm sorry. Just forgive me.
It's okay.
But Mama, how did this thing even happen, Sif? Me, Ndubisi. I was just playing along.
No.
Hey.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, Obilonu. Mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, mankene bekene o, Obilonu. Afungonu madadema Obilonu. Efungonu.
That is finally back. Yes, I thank God. He came back with very big car. You know that car, he came back with driver. He said the driver is driving the car around in the village as if it's his own. Mama, from now on, see I'll be going in the village. Hey, bring down your hand. Is it your money?
His brother's own. It's your brother's money, your money. Instead of you to pray for him to take you to America, you go there and make your own money. You are here telling me you hang your hand. You hang your hand.
My brother.
My brother's money is not my money. Instead of you to pray that he will take you to America, you go there and make your own money.
Before you take me and
don't mind this, your brother.
Brother, Mama.
Are you sure that Obina have not been disturbing you all this while?
Don't mind your brother, he's always disturbing, but I don't care about his
Yeah, I did not do anything now.
Please let me
don't mind him, very soon you go to America.
And make his own money. Exactly what I was telling you.
But that's by the way, Mama. See, Mama, I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are free, my son.
It's all about Oma. Yes, I want to do the next. I want to marry her. Yes. Mama, what is it now? Your face?
You don't know what happened when you traveled to America.
What happened?
A lot happened.
What happened?
Oma's parents forced Oma into marriage.
What?
They forced her into marrying one man. And the man married Oma. And took her to the city. After some years, the man now threw her out of his house. And the woman now came back to the village, thinking she has a family to come back to. Do you know what happened? The worst now happened. Oma's father, Mazokuru, chased her out of the house and threw her out. As I'm talking to you now, nobody knows her whereabouts.
Mama, I know that this man is wicked, but I don't know that he's this callous.
He's very wicked. Do you know that nobody knows her whereabouts? Nobody knows where she is. He threw her out. Wicked man.
So this is what Oma have been passing through alone all this while?
Yes. The girl is passing through a lot. She has passed through a lot. I pity her.
I need to see her. I need to see her.
Where will you see her? Somebody, I'm telling you that she's nowhere to be found.
That is exactly why I need to go and look for her.
Where will you go and look for her? Look around. You will see a good girl in this village, a fine girl, and marry. Or if you don't want to marry any girl from this village, marry Oyibo, marry a white woman and bring her home. Is it not good?
Mama, that's not why I'm here. That's not why I'm here. I love Oma and I really want to spend the rest of my life with him.
I'm telling you that Oma is nowhere to be found. You are saying you will go and look. Where will you go and look for her? Nobody have seen her in this village. Nobody. And you say you are going to look for her. Please, you better have a rethink. No, and marry Oyibo. Bring Oyibo for me. I will accept a white woman. Beautiful one.
Obin, you're not looking bad though. Wow. And I heard you bought a very big car. Did you come with it?
That's not why I'm here. I came to see Oma. Where is Oma?
Ago, the mechanic is calling.
I need to pick this. Hello? Okay. Thank you so much. You're a good man. You're a good man. No problem. I will still get back to you. Eh? But before that, my guy will do something for you. I'm in a meeting. I'll get back to you. You have done it. Eh? Just send him 1 million. Yes.
Okay.
Well. So like I was saying, I came to see Oma. Right, sure.
Obina, you see,
the contractor.
Oh, no, next one, you do the picture. Hello? Okay. Wow, that's a good news. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay. Yeah, I'm still in the village, but I'll still get back to you. Yeah? But before that, I will send you something for you to just get hold of. You understand? Yeah. To that your account, no problem. Search, you see his account. Send him 4 million. You have done that.
From which of the bank?
Access.
Access.
But that's not why we are here. Like I said before, I came to see Oma. Where is she?
While you were away, Oma got married to another man.
That's the lie, yo. Uncle Bina. While you were away, Mama and Papa forced Oma to marry that old man. And Oma refused.
Shut up your mouth. Who asked you? Please, Obina, don't listen to this girl. Like I was saying, you know, Oma married another man. But later on, the man threw her out of the house with a little boy. When he came back to us, her father here chased her out of the house with the little boy.
What? You mean you sent her out with a child?
Yes, a little boy.
So this is what Oma have been passing through alone all this while? Papa,
you have a call.
Honestly speaking, I'm disappointed at both of you.
Just like that.
Is he coming back? Is he coming back? Nothing for us? Huh?
Who are you asking? Are you asking me? If it is you, will you leave something? Let me ask you, if you are Obina, will you leave something? Have you seen what it costs? Have you seen it? It is your fault that Obina did not marry Oma. Now look at it. Obina is now a rich man. He came back with plenty money. He was busy chasing this boy around everywhere. In the whole community.
I don't want to subscribe to that. Because we're talking about destiny here. They were not destined to be. What if my daughter Oma has married Obina and by now Oma is dead, Obina is dead? Leave everything for destiny.
Okay, destiny.
Yes. They were not meant to be, maybe.
Hey, little baby, will you leave this place? Talkative.
Oma. Obinna. Please, I want to talk. What I did to both of you was wrong. I allowed anger and pride to control me. I did not listen. I did not try to understand. Oma, I rejected you. I sent you away. Even when you needed me the most as a father. I failed you. I've failed you as a father, Oma. I have failed you. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
It's okay.
Oma. Obina. You are a good man. You stood by my daughter. Even when I sent her away. And she was like a sheep without a shepherd. You were steadfast and you stood by her. You're a good man. Please, forgive me. Forgive me. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Please forgive me.
Papa, you know what she did to me is really, really hot. I'm forgiving you.
Papa, you see, you don't have to worry again because everything happens for a reason. You have said it all. To err is human and to forgive is divine. I've forgiven you. I don't have any bitterness in my heart anymore.
Thank you. Thank you, son. Thank you, my son. Thank you. My son, thank you.
This is what I have been praying for. For God to restore peace in this family. Finally, God has done it. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Now, our family is back together.
Yes.
Glory be to God.
Amen.
Grandpa.
This is my grandson! Oh, my grandson! Hi, my grandson, in whom I am well pleased. Welcome home. Welcome home. Welcome home. Hi. Welcome home. This is where you belong. This is your home.
Ah, Odobu.
Okay.
Aguna Cambodia. Okay, Sima. This is my brother, Chiri. Emi. What do you got? It's okay.
I have seen that both of you are made for each other. By the divine, you are made for each other. So,
you have made it.
Together we stand there. Divided we fall. Let love lead.
Wankene bekene o, wankene bekene o, wankene bekene o, obi mo. Wankene bekene o, wankene bekene o, wankene bekene o, obi mo. Afungonu mada de ma obi mo. Efungonu mada de ma obi mo. All day no be more. Reggae, reggae.